Yes, I think as human translators we have to go with the times and we have to embrace technology as sport technology. And if you think about engineers, for many, many years engineers have been working with pocket calculators and with computers. And engineers do not feel threatened by them, even though a simple pocket calculator is much better at basic arithmetic than the best of our engineers. A pocket calculator is much better at divisions, at sums, at multiplications, etc. But of course the engineers are the same kind of people that build these machines, that build these computers, and so they're not threatened by this. But with human translation and machine translation, you have kind of like a cultural gap. The people that build the machines are not the people that use these machines, and therefore there's sort of like a bridge of understanding that needs to be built, and that's why human translators sometimes feel threatened by technology. We have many languages in Europe, and these languages are part of our identity, part of our cultural fabric or our richness, but languages can also provide obstacles, barriers for communication, and we would like to make a small contribution towards overcoming these barriers, and for that we use machine translation. So machine learning-based machine translation, neural machine translation, needs to train, needs to learn, and it learns from data. And the more data the system is available, the more it can train, and the better its performance will be on unseen sentences that need to be translated. So data is all important. It needs to be a lot of data, and it needs to be the right kind of data and in the right domain. So in ELRC we're addressing the needs of public services. So we're looking for data that comes from public services all over Europe, because that's the right data for machine translation systems for public services. Machine translation has made great improvements. Artificial intelligence has made great improvements, in particular through the use of neural networks. Machine translation, modern machine translation, is now almost exclusively based on neural networks, but it still makes mistakes. And perfect, high-quality translation can only be achieved by involving humans in the process. The neural machine translation system makes a raw translation, which then has to be post-edited by human experts, that is human translators, to eliminate all the remaining errors in the translation, to produce high-quality translations that are of publishable quality. So machine translation will always make mistakes, because translation is not just replacing some words by other words, but it's also cultural transfer, negotiating between one culture and another culture. And in order to solve this by machines, we have to solve the general problem of artificial intelligence. We have to create a general artificial intelligence, so to speak, and we haven't done that yet. This might happen, but if that happens, then not only will the problem of machine translation be solved, but also this will impact on our complete society and many, many other jobs and many other areas of our daily life.